Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on this, the most extreme Alpine A110 ever built. This is the A110R Ultime, and it's absolutely insane. Only 110 of these will ever exist, and what you're looking at might just be the ultimate expression of what an Alpine can be. Let's talk power. Under that sculpted hood lies a heavily modified 1.8-liter turbo engine pushing out a whopping 345 horsepower. Now that might not sound mind-blowing in today's world of 1,000-horsepower hypercars, but remember, this thing weighs about as much as a pencil sharpener. 0 to 60? Gone in just 3.8 seconds. But straight-line speed isn't what this car is about. Alpine's engineers have gone absolutely ballistic with the aero package. We're talking a massive rear wing, aggressive splitters, and enough fins to make a shark jealous. All that crazy bodywork isn't just for show. It delivers an extra 160 kilos of downforce compared to the already capable A110R Turini. The chassis is a work of art, with staggered wheel sizes, 18 up front and 19 out back, and massive AP racing brakes that could probably stop time itself. The 6-speed gearbox has been beefed up to handle the extra grunt, and the suspension, well, let's just say it turns every apex into an invitation to greatness. Now here's the kicker. This masterpiece starts at 221,000 pounds. And if you want one of the 15 ultra-exclusive Bleue editions, that'll be 276,000 pounds, thank you very much. Yes, that's supercar money, but this isn't just another fast car, it's automotive art. Is it worth it? If you're one of the lucky few who can afford it and appreciate what Alpine has created here, absolutely. This isn't just the most powerful A110 ever made, it's a love letter to driving enthusiasts, wrapped in carbon fiber and French elegance. It's the kind of car that makes you remember why you fell in love with driving in the first place. And that, my friends, is what makes the A110R Ultime truly special. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.